What's up mga kasarmaw and welcome sa car review natin. Thank you pala sa Kia Motors Gateway, Mandawi City, Cebu for letting us review their cars. For any inquiries, you can call or text Mark Cañete on his mobile phone. This is the 2025 Kia Sonet 1.5 EX80. 1.068 million to, Cebu City price ha. February promo is 23,000 RCBC, 43,000 for BDO on Security Bank, and 68,000 for other banks based on 20% down payment. 60 months is 22,349.00 and 84 months is BPI promo 18,060. Airbags is driver and front passenger. Brake is electronic brake distribution and anti-lock brake system or ABS. Features immobilizer, security alarm, ISOFIX, and cruise control. Dito sa harap, may dalawang grille malalaki, taas at baba. Then may maliit sa gitna. Aluminum style Kia logo. Honeycomb gloss black. Konti lang ang butas. Silver accent dito. Matte window type. Sa baba, window type matte. May silver accent front diffuser style. Headlights is multi-reflector, start map signature LED. PRLs is also start map signature LED. Sa baba, fog lamps LED. Dito sa gilid, wheels is machine cut finish with gloss black accent. Tires is 205 55 R16 Kumho. Matte dito sa harap, dugtong sa matte fender. Sa baba, sa fender, then hanggang likod. Body color side mirrors with repeaters, auto adjust and auto fold. Keyless smart entry. Body color doorknobs. Matte door trim. Roof rail is gloss silver and matte combination. Front suspension is McPherson strut. Rear is coupled torsion beam axle. Front brake is disc. And rear is disc. Dito sa likod, antenna sa taas. Spoiler type back end, integrated yung third brake light LED. Back wiper. Aluminum type Kia logo. Pati ang Sonet emblem. Backup camera. 2 back parking sensors. Matte dito. Silver accent. Then reverse light. Taillights is all LED. Labas talaga ang taillights. Dugtong hanggang sa kabila ang mga LED. Tapos may silver accent sa loob. Sa baba, reflector. Buksan natin yung likod. Space sa likod. May light. Pag fold, 60-40 ang hatian. Pull mo lang to, then tulak. Sa kabila, ito din. May lights din dito pag nakaandar yung sasakyan. Din sa ilalim, spare tire. Door panels is gray with silver accent na doorknob. Plastic shiny. Doorknob silver. May dugtong dito. Tweeter speaker. May maliit na triangle design. Power window button. Matte. Plastic. Malagyan. Bottle holder. Speaker. Then retractable hand grip. Sa likod ng door panels is same gray with silver accents sa doorknob. Plastic shiny, silver doorknob, silver extension, matte, power window button, plastic, bottle holder, speaker, then retractable hand grip. Center armrest with 2 cup holders. May mga pockets dito. Dito wala. 2 air vents na may silver accent. Sa baba, 2 USB Type-C. Then malagyan. Driver side and door panels is same gray with silver accent na doorknob. Plastic shiny, silver doorknob, extension silver, triangle accent maganda, tweeter speaker, side mirror adjust, left and right, auto fold, lock and unlock, power window buttons, windows lock, solid, malagyan, bottle holder, walang hand grip dito. Steering wheel is tilt only, plastic, piano black sa visor, silver sa air vents, headlights leveling, hood lever, and gas tank lever. Upuan is fabric, synthetic sa gilid, ibang design na fabric sa gitna, line accent, hanggang taas, soft, headrest, 6-way manual adjust, view sa likod, 3-spoke steering wheel urethane with silver accent and audio controls. Dito is different modes, voice command, infotainment, and cell phone button. Dito naman is cruise control. Dash is analog RPM, fuel, and temperature. Display sa gitna is 4.2 TFT LCD. Infotainment is 8-inch touchscreen via 6 speakers with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, USB, Bluetooth hands-free, and voice recognition. Manual dial type aircon with rear vents, doom lights, gas holder, sun visor, vanity mirror sa driver's side, sun visor, vanity mirror sa passenger side. Push start stop ignition switch, malagyan, silver accent, auto tranny, may plus and minus na drive, USB port, USB Type-C, 12-volt socket, 2 cup holders, manual handbrake, center armrest, plastic, may hold, then walang nasa loob. Passenger na upuan is same fabric, 4-way manual adjust, plastic, airbag, silver accents air vents, then glove box. Ang engine niya is a 1.5 4-cylinder inline, 16-valve, dual overhead cam, gasoline engine. Max output is 115 PS, max torque is 144 Newton meters of torque. Transmission is intelligent variable transmission, and fuel tank capacity is 45 liters. So that's it mga kasarmbaw. Thank you sa panonood. And don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Support Bisayan Vlogger. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam at peace. Thank you.